How to export animation GIF. Welcome everyone. How are you all? Today we will see how to export animated GIF. I've shown you the work for an animation particle toolbox, and in this class I will show you how we can save an animation GIF. Let's start. So this is the picture. I have done the animation for the picture. Here is our animation particle toolbox. I have turned on the density from here. Then we have 4 options here: up, down, left and right. Click on any direction and it will move that direction. I will click on the up option. It is moving upper. Here we have 2 objects, small and big. Now, if I want to see the timeline, I will go to the window tab. Then, I will choose the timeline option from here. I have turned on the play button and see here, it is moving animation wise. Now, I have turned on these 2 options also. And I will again click on this up option. I'm turning off the visibility option of these layers. Now, I will click on this play button again. Now you can see the animation. I'm making animation with Photoshop. It's a very interesting matter, right? Now, I will save it. I'm choosing Save for Web this option. Now, you can give a name here on the presets, and here they have a GIF option. We can choose JPEG, PNG or anything, and you can preview this. Click on the preview option from here. You can see here how the animation is working. Here it is. I'm zooming it out. Now see. I will save it now. I have clicked on save. I'm saving it on my desktop. From the work folder, this export section, I've given you this animation file. I have clicked on the save option. It is processing. I guess it has saved. I will check it now. Yeah, here it is. I'm going to open it. See, here is our GIF. This is how we can make animated GIFs. I hope you have understood how to make animation GIF and how to export it. That's all for today. See you in the next class. Tell me, what do you think? Write a review when you can. I'm also available for questions. Send me a direct message anytime. Stay healthy. Goodbye.